Hi, welcome to RB Kids Corner. Today's learning is animals and their young ones. A young one of a horse is called a foal. A young one of an elephant is called a calf. A young one of a zebra is called a foal. A young one of a tiger is called a cub. A young one of a bear is called a cub. A young one of a kangaroo is called a joey. A young one of a monkey is called an infant. A young one of a sheep is called a lamb. A young one of a peacock is called a peachy. A young one of a deer is called a fawn. A young one of a goose is called a gosling. A young one of a rabbit is called a kit. A young one of a duck is called a duckling. A young one of a koala is called a joey. A young one of a seal is called a pup. A young one of a shark is called a cub.
Awesome! Awesome!
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.